Good morning, beautiful angels. Our spirit wants us to know that what you've been praying on or meditating over is a definite yes. A forgotten promise will be fulfilled, and they want you to know that perhaps you are being reminded all too often just how quickly the phases in your life can shift. One change after another, you are learning to adapt and grow. Be kind and gentle to yourself. Forgive. It's time to let go of anger and blame. Your archangels are with you and they're bringing you protection. You are guaranteed success and you're going to have a period of prosperity and balance. There's big changes coming into your life and it's changes for the better. Be open to receive. The sun is going to shine upon you. Trust and believe. And your loved ones want you to let go of anxiety. Calm your nerves, and you'll be able to hear the voices of your angels. Thank you very much for listening. Have a good day. Love you all.